All right, and here we are at the top of page 4 for section 3.3, problem solving using geometry. And here's that other formula we mentioned. The sum of the measures of three angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. And then, let's see, do I have this on the screen? Right down here, you can't see it on the screen, but you have it on the page in front of you, the notes, is the reminder for complements and supplements. The fact that a complement, the two angles add up to 90, and a supplement, they add up to 180. Now, on the previous page, we used the fact, we brought to the problem this idea that three angles of any triangle is 180. Now I want you to try this next problem. Find the measure of the angle described, and this time you're going to be using the information about complements and supplements. So it is a little bit of a story problem that you get to translate, and then once you've translated it, solve it. This is going to push you a little bit, but we're in a chapter where we're building our muscles for critical thinking, being able to apply what we know to a description and come up with a translation and then an equation we can solve. So I'm going to push it a little bit. We will do these try problems together in class thoroughly. So if you get stuck, you aren't sure how, but bring it to class. But do try these, okay? So the original notes, if you printed them out earlier, they would have said watch, but this is going to be a try problem. So I want to make sure we did it together in class, and also I'd like to see you try some of these on your own at home, just to see what you can do, okay? Those are my hints that you're going to be using this information about complements and supplements. You can use the way I described it on the previous page, or you can use the way the book describes it a little further down on this page of notes, page 210 in your book. So pause the video, come back to see what the answer is to this one, and then we will also cover this one in class. Okay, so when you are able to solve this one, you should have gotten that the measure of the angle is equal to 139 degrees. Okay, and we'll do that one together in class. Let's go do the practice plus at the bottom of the page. And we'll just keep this same video going here. Well, maybe I'll go ahead and stop this video. We'll call it good right here, and then we'll do the bottom of the page.